Welcome back, dear children. Today I am here to start a new portion of your English book for class 2A and B. So, hope, dear children, you all have your English book. So, please open your book, page number 84 for the reference. And this chapter is 12th number chapter, and chapter name is Chicks Go for a Walk. Chicks go for a walk. So let's discuss about this chapter, and I will read this chapter, and after that I will discuss this summary. Okay, so be concentrated in your class. Mother hen lived in a hen house of a big farm. She laid 5 brown eggs. Soon 5 chicks came out. The chicks chirped all day. They thought that chicks and hens were the only creatures in the world. There was a mother hen. She used to live in a big farm or a big house. Okay, that is hen house. So there she laid 5 brown eggs. See, 5 brown eggs. So first I will discuss about, see, underline this word laid. Okay, so laid means to produce eggs. To produce eggs, that means laid. So next, very first the 5 chicks came out, and they chirped all the day. So I think you have the question that what is chirped. Underline that word also. Okay, chirped means short squeaky sound made by young bird. Bird sound, that means bird sound. Okay, so these hen babies chicks are thought that because they are all time in their house only, and they can see only their mother. They are very small in size, so all the time they stay inside with their mother only of the house, and they thought that in the world only the chicks and the hens are there. They never knew that other things also there in the world. One day all 5 of them set out for a walk. Cheep, 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 they sang merrily. So one day all the 5 chicks out of the house for a walk. They are very happy. So when they go outside for a first time, they are very happy. And merrily, I think you have the question that merrily. So merrily means very happy. So they sang cheep cheep. It is their sang. Okay, they sang their cheep cheep. They saw a smart white duck who said quack quack. While going for a walk, they saw a smart white duck, and duck said quack quack. Smart means, this underline the word smart, and smart means clean and tidy. You know that duck sound, that is quack quack, yes, and that is quack quack, and ducks are using this sound, that is quack quack. Then they met a plump little puppy who said oof oof. Then, so on the way, first they met the duck, and next they met a plump puppy, and the puppy said oof oof. Okay, plump means, this underline this word plump, and plump means round in shape. Okay, plump means round in shape. There was a puppy, his face shape is round. That is why the puppy is called plump puppy. Okay, the dog makes the sound oof oof. It is dog sound. Okay, the chicks, they saw a gentle brown cow who said moo moo. So next, while walking little longer, they met a cow who make the sound moo moo. Gentle means, underline the word gentle. Gentle means to have mild character. Okay, so the chicks were surprised. They came to the hen house laughing all the way. So dear children, one thing you should remember, that these 3 names to whom the chicks met. The first, the duck. The second, the puppy. And the third, the cow. So It is very important, dear students, so remember that one by one. Okay, the chicks are very happy and surprised also. They came to the hen house laughing all the way because they did not know anything outside of the house. So, whatever they saw, they are surprised. Mother, they said, we saw the funniest hens in the world. One was a shiny white hen with a broad flat beak, and it said quack quack. So, while after coming home, they called their mother and asked about whatever they saw outside of the hen house. Still, they thinking about that only in the world chicks and hens are there. So, when they are reached in the house, they called their mother and said and tell that at first they made the duck, which is, so they said about the duck and that mother, we made a funniest hen that has no tail, and that has broad flat beak and shiny, and who said that quack quack. Then mother hen said that was no hen, it was a duck. So that time, so mother hen cleared their doubt that it was not a hen, it was a duck. All five said, "Oh, a duck." But then mother, we saw an even funnier hen. It had no feathers, no wings, and too many legs with a moving tail, and it said, "Oof, oof." Then after they all of the five chicks are said, "Oh, a duck." That means they think about that and they say that, "Oh, it is duck." Okay, then but they say to mother that they saw more funnier hen who has no wings and it has moving tail and no feathers also, and that said, which is said that oof oof. Then mother hen explained that was not a hen, it was a puppy. Then mother hen explained that it was not a hen, it was a puppy. Then all five, "Oh, a puppy." But mother, the funniest hen was big. It had thick brown hair all over. It had a long tail and on its head were long ears. It said moo moo. But then all the five chicks said, "Oh, a puppy." They think about that, yeah, it is puppy. Okay. Again, all the confusion is clear that second animal was a puppy. But mother, the third hen was very big, and so they started to explain about the big hen was a brown hair and long tail and also long ears, and which animal said moo moo. Okay. Then again mother hen said that was not a hen, it was a cow. Then mother hen again explained that it was not a hen, it was a cow. The five chicks, please dear children, open this page number 86 for the reference. So let's continue this portion that the five chicks repeated duck puppy cow, duck puppy cow. They smiled, thinking of the many things in the world beside hens and chicks. So they made, at first they made, when they again the five chicks understand that last animal also not a hen, it was a cow. Then the five hen chicks repeated duck puppy cow, duck puppy cow. That means first they made duck, next they made puppy, and last they made cow. They smiled. Then after at last they smiled. Because why? Because so they made at first duck, next they made puppy, and last they made cow. So when their all doubts are cleared, that they repeated the name to whom they made, and so they are very happy to know that, and they smiling because after understanding that they are smiling and they smile to think there was many things, not only the hen and the chicks, there were the other animals also besides who lived in the world. So dear children, hope all of you understand this story, and it is a very short story and it is very nice story also. So let's read the words to know. That is, laid to produce eggs, chipped, short squeaky sound made by a young bird, smart, clean and tidy, plump, having a round shape, gentle, to have a mild character. So dear children, all these words are in the inside of the story. Read about that nicely and read. I will tell you. So this chapter is very short chapter, and if you have any doubts, you should clear things whatever you have the confusion. And in this story, tell that about this matter only. Okay, because if you have any doubts, you should clear these things whatever you have confusion. Don't remain thinking about your doubts, and something like that the chicks also are doing with their mother. If you have any doubts or any confusion, you have to ask. You should ask your parents, your teachers also. They obviously clear your doubts. So dear children, remember that if you have any confusion, you should clear out it. So I hope, dear children, all of you understood today's class. If you have any queries, you can ask me. Okay, till then, bye bye.